Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this problem solving question from Official Guide Quantitative Review 2020. It's a medium level question, not very difficult. However, we will solve it step by step to see how to approach absolute value problems based on the theory we did in one of my other videos. The link is in the description. So let's start with the question. It's given that x equals negative of modulus of w. So let's look at w first and understand what is given. Can it be negative? Yes. Can it be 0? Yes. Can it be positive? Yes. Nothing is given about w. We can't assume anything, so we have to assume all three possibilities. Now, x is given to be negative of absolute value of w. Since this is either 0 or positive, since absolute values cannot be negative, x has to be either 0 or negative because of this negative sign of a positive value. So the first statement says x equals negative of w. This could be true if w were 0 or positive, but what if w is negative? If w were negative, negative of w will become positive, and which means x is positive, but we just came to the conclusion that x cannot be positive. It can be 0 or negative. So this is not possible. X equal to w has very similar connotation because if w were positive, x would become positive, and we have come to the conclusion that x cannot be positive. So this goes out as well. X square equals w. This relation is not given. Kind of out of the scope, we can just ignore it. X square equals w square. So this is interesting. We know x equals minus of w. Let's square both sides because it's an equation. We can square it. Since it's minus 1 square is 1. So this goes away. And we get this. Squares are always 0 or positive. Squares are also non-negative. So we don't need the modulus sign anymore. And we can simply write it this way. So x square equals w square definitely is applicable. So that is right. Let's look at choice E because this may be confusing to some people. X cube equals w cube. If w were positive, we know that x has to be 0 or negative based on our conclusions. If w were positive, what we are saying is x cube is positive also, which means x is positive, which is just not possible based on what we had concluded earlier. So this is not a possibility. So answer to this question is D. It's a medium level difficulty question. I hope you understand and this was helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. If this video was helpful for you, it really helps me. Thank you so much.